Hi everyone, my name is Jim, one of the product experts here at Blindster.com. And I want to show you our cordless, light filtering, top-down bottom-up, single cellular shade. That is quite the product name, so let's look at this shade one element at a time to see all its features and benefits and why this shade might be right for you. First of all, you'll see this shade has no external cords, which is of course why we call them our cordless cellular shades. To operate the shade, simply lift up on the handle to raise the shade and pull it back down to lower the shade. Mechanisms inside this shade's PVC headrail hold the shade in place wherever you let it go and make it easier to raise or lower shades of any size. The cordless lift feature makes these shades safe for both kids and pets and provides an uncluttered look in the window since there are no dangling cords. This shade also includes the top-down bottom-up feature, so it not only raises from the bottom up, but also from the top down. With top down bottom up, you have more ways to control how much light you let into the room while still maintaining privacy. So you can lower the top of the shade to let direct sunlight into the room, but still block anyone from outside seeing in. One of the main benefits of cellular shades is their ability to help insulate your home against heat transfer from your window, whether it's hot air coming in during the summer or cold air coming in during the winter. They do this with honeycomb-shaped fabric cells that trap air inside as a buffer against the outside temperature. The fabric on these shades is a single cell with one cell stacked on another. Each of the cells in this shade are 3/8 of an inch. Generally, the bigger the cell or the more cells there are, the more insulating the shade will be. So while this isn't the highest rated shade for insulation, it's still very good and has solid energy saving benefits. This shade features a light filtering fabric. What that means is that the fabric will still let some diffuse light through the shade, but it still provides full privacy when the shade is down. If anything, vague shadows of objects that are inside the home and very close to the window might be visible from the outside at night. Also, darker colored fabrics like this one will block slightly more outside light than lighter colors. Note that the fabric color on these shades is the same on both the front and the back of the shade. To recap, here are some of the benefits of our cordless, light filtering, top-down bottom-up, single cellular shades. Cordless lift for convenient and child-safe operation, the top-down bottom-up feature for extra flexibility for light and privacy control. You can reduce your energy bills with year-round insulation. It has a light filtering fabric for privacy while still letting some light through the shade, and easy installation. And that's it. If you still have questions, reach out to us and one of our friendly experts will be happy to help.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.